Welcome to this quick 5-minute breathing exercise where we're doing the 4-7-8 breathing to slow everything down. This is the perfect exercise if you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed or your mind is spiraling or racing. So what we're doing is we'll be breathing gently in through the nose for 4 seconds, holding for 7 seconds, and then slowly exhaling for 8 seconds. And that long controlled exhale is the important part here because it stimulates your vagus nerve, your body's building calm switch, which stops the panic and stress spirals and slows everything down. So find a comfortable position, let your shoulders melt, unclench your jaw, and then let's breathe in for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And exhale for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, inhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And just continue this pattern, inhaling slowly in through your nose for the count of 4, pausing at the top for the count of 7, and exhaling slowly through your nose for the count of 8. And if your mind starts spiraling, just find your way back to the counting, inhaling for 4, holding at the top for 7, and exhaling for 8. Seeing if you can melt your shoulders down, just like a piece of chocolate in the hot summer sun, softening your face, your jaw, as you're inhaling for 4, holding for 7, and exhaling for 8. There's nothing you need to do, nothing you need to figure out. Just stay with your breath. And if it feels difficult to hold your breath for 7 or exhale for 8, you can shorten it to where you're able to go today without judging or giving it any meaning. Simply staying with your breath, staying with the counting. Inhaling for 4. Pausing for 7, and exhaling for 8. just let go of the counting. Let your breath return to normal. And just notice your body. And maybe you let out a big sigh out through your mouth. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. And if you want more breathwork videos like this, remember to subscribe. And I will see you in the next breathwork video. Take care.